Alright, hello guys, this is GM Baloch and we have another lecture. In this lecture, in this video, we will discuss about how to take input in Java and how we can use this in our real program. Okay, we are going to create a practical work and program. Let's create a class. In this class, we will discuss about the input types. How to take inputs from the user and use it in your program. Okay, I am going to name it like input test. Okay, input test or input program. Okay, I'm giving it a public property, and a next step is to create main method because we want to execute our programming flow from this class. And we have here a class which is input program naming. Okay, and next thing is to take input from the user. We have here to do just two things. First of all, we have to declare a package which is name is java.util.Scanner. Okay, what is package? Let's suppose package is a built-in package is nothing. Packages are nothing, just built-in folders. You may guess it like a folder which is built-in in the JDK. Okay, JDK. They are stored in the JDK, and they are also folders. Like here, this is one folder which is stored in java.util.Scanner. We are going to use this package in our program. Here we use it like import. We use keyword import, and we insert package java.util.Scanner. And you may guess see it here that the ID our Eclipse is suggesting us the current folder or next our next folders are packages. Like I'm inserting scanner, it automatically insert it. Okay, now next part is to create an object of scanner class. Okay, how to create object of scanner class? What is the use of object scanner object class? First of all, we know how to create it. So next step is create object of scanner class. Okay, scanner class. Scanner is nothing but a built-in class in the JDK. Here we will create it. How to create? Let's type scanner, and here you may see it. I also said that scanner is a class, so I have to describe write the spelling of scanner with the capital S, and here also it's the capital S, but the Java is a package where J is small and U is also small. You may write it same to same. Okay, as it is. Okay, scanner, and we mention its object means it's a reference. We may call it anything like object. I have declared here object and new equal. After the equal operation we have to mention new keyword, and you again mention the scanner, and here you use parenthesis and at the last semicolon, which is terminating the statement, and here you have to mention system dot in here system is also a class, built-in class, and dot after dot you use in. Okay, next step, we have a object for the scanner, and we use here like we take input. Okay, we use object dot next. Here we will mention what type of input we want to get from the user. So I need to get input int from the user, so I mention next int. Okay, this is method. Okay, see here, its object is what? Nothing but the object of reference of scanner, and in the object in the scanner we have a built-in method like next int is nothing but a method. How we indicate the methods, you may check it from my old lectures where I explained you how you will identify that something is a method or not. Okay, you may see here parenthesis, and we can call it method. Okay, and if we are getting input from the user, let's run it from here. Okay, we saved it and I am running it. Here you may say the output. Okay, okay, here I have console. This is our console. It's waiting for the input. Here you can insert input, but as I am inserting it, but the computer is not getting anything else. So I have to mention here that I am getting input. So I have to store it in a variable. Like I am using int and its name. Like int is nothing but a data type. Data type is nothing. They are containers, and here I use the name a for this container. And I am storing what is user giving as input. I am storing it into the a. Okay, I am storing into the a. Then I will compute it. Like I will find the square of a. So how would I find the square of a? I multiply a multiply by a, means we are multiplying a number by itself that will provide us square, but I am doing nothing. I have to print it in as output. So we already learned how to print output something in Java. So we use system class system.out.println, and we mention this word into this statement, this uh, phase, or you may call it equation in this system. So let's discuss about the statements. Here I have mentioned that I am taking input from the user. I am storing the input into the a, and showing this statement a multiplied by a means if user giving any number that will be multiplied by itself, and output will be that number, and means the square of given output input number. Okay, let's run it, and let's see, analyze the output, what kind of output it's showing. Let's see here. Okay, here we have waiting. Our program is this input program. Okay, let's give input like 5. I inserted 5, and uh, after inserting the 5, I press the enter button, and this is our output. Means I given the number 5, and it processed that 5 is stored into the a, and after that a multiplied by a. Okay, and the output final is 25. Okay, 25 square. Let's make it like more attractive. Okay, let's I am printing before the input. I am printing like system dot out dot println, and I want to show the user that enter any number. Let's run it. Okay, let's run it. I run it, and see this. This is what uh, uh, is our program is running. It is executing this statement and showing that enter a number is output. Enter a number, and here our terminator is waiting for the input. So I am giving the 6. I inserted the 6 and pressing the enter key. Then I am getting output as 36. 36 is coming from what? 36 is coming from nothing but from our input, which is a multiplied by a. Okay, this is our final output. Let's see in other examples, like we have let's create an other class. Okay, let's create another class, like I am creating class like a calculator. Last time we have made the calculator, but it was on the constant numbers. Let's make is input calculator. Okay, input calculator, and I'm also making main method in it. Okay, let's to do this code fastly. Import the package for java.util.Scanner. Okay, here we have inserted the package, and mention the and create the scanner object. Okay, here you have to mention scanner and create object for it. OB, I mentioned OB. You may call it anything. The new scanner, and you have to pass system dot in. Okay, this argument in the parenthesis of the scanner class, and you have got the object of scanner class. You have to use here object for giving the input. So for input we have to mention the type of input that user have to insert. I mentioned here int. What is int? We have already discussed in our previous lectures. And uh, whatever the user is giving the input, that will be stored in int. And I also want that user must give in two inputs, like first input will store into the A and second input will store into the B. So I am also mentioning that this will also be int. Okay, so after this I will do some operations, like I want to uh, uh, get output that A plus B. Okay, here I have to mention A plus B. Okay, and I also want to show A minus B. Okay, in subtraction, and same as I will do little bit more, like A minus B. Okay, I you have to type it, and you may get my code from GitHub account. I have given in link into the description. Okay, I have also shown that A multiplied by B. Let's run it. Okay, here we have this. Okay, I am inserting is 5. Okay, next time I am entering, and it is also waiting for the input. I am inserting 6. So first what will it do? It will add the number first and second, show the output. Okay, it added the number 5 and 6, which is 11, and uh, after that it minus the subtracted the A from the B. Okay, here we get what this is output. Okay, for subtraction it is for multiplication. A multiplied by B means 5 multiplied by 6, it is 30. Okay, we can use this, that show the user that something is waiting for its input. We may call it enter first number, just showing the user that our command line is waiting for his input, second second number. Okay, so let's run it again. Here we have a proper program. I'm inserting first number is 6 and second number is 2. So it is showing also addition of both numbers and subtraction of both numbers and multiplication of both numbers. So that was for our today lecture. Thank you so much, and kindly visit my GitHub account and also follow me on the connect me on the LinkedIn account.